However, now yesterday's call, they had 200 million in cash. That's growing. Hello. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the morning business brew, where we talk about stocks, business, and startups, and maybe sometimes coffee. So today I'm brewing some Ethiopian Jaeger Chief. I really like the fruitiness in this coffee. Anyway, how are you guys? I hope you're doing well. Last night, Tattoo Chef, they announced their earnings, and it was great announcement. Their earnings, they basically topped the expectation, and they're doing good, and they are heading of what was expected. So first, let's talk a little bit. So I wanted to talk a little bit about Tattoo Chef and see, is this really a stock that you can invest in to have some really good returns in the future? I don't know. Let's see. Let's together explore this company and see how can we analyze this company's future, right? We want to see the future of this company. Is there potential or not to grow, right? All right. That's great. Come with me. I thought of first, let's view their Analyst Day presentation, which they presented in 2020, which gave a pretty good outlook on 2020 and on 2021 and the future of their revenue. All right. Now, if you go look and search on Tattoo Chef between the news outlets and all the analysts, you see one thing, and they're talking only about one thing. Tattoo Chef is still overvalued despite recent strong growth. Now, I don't know what these analysts looking for and why they are always against this company, but according to the Intelligent Investors book, when there is doubt, go in. I'm not sure if he said that, but I think so. All right. So in 2009, Sam Galetti opens the Stonegate Food, and it begins to import vegetables and other Italian products to be sold in to the National Nature Channel retailer, right? So it's a white label. After that, the next good milestone he did was 2015 when he started when Stonegate became Italia International and begins in manufacturing in own factory. So the next milestone was in 2015 when he started to manufacturing in his own factory. Amazing job. Then in 2017, before 2017, he launched the Tattoo Chef brand. Very good, smart branding. Now start reducing, or why you have the white label business, starting your own brand now. And in 2017, he opened the Italian manufacturing facility, right? That's amazing. And in 2020, we know that they made the SPAC merger and they went public. Lucky us. No, okay, lucky us or not, I don't know. I like them, but not that much. Anyway, sorry guys. Massive opportunity in the frozen industry. So they have multiple options. What they're currently tapping into is the prepared food, which is the pizza balls and stuff like that, and then the meat alternative, plant-based, pizza, vegetables, fruits. They're looking to tap into the desserts and maybe later seafood or others. I'm not sure if they're gonna look into that. What had happened till now? Now, something I learned from, or by experience from Tattoo Chef, is that they usually accurate when they predict their estimate, right? Or the future estimates. So here it said 47 million they did revenue in 2018, and they are expecting 2021 to reach up to $222 million of revenue, which is great. That's 68% increase in only 3 years. Amazing job. Financial resources. Up to the date of this presentation, they say they had $90 million cash. However, now yesterday's call, they had 200 million cash. That's growing. Yeah, of course they have debt, but the cash is growing, which is really good. They have manufacturing facilities. They doubled the capacity in 2020 and they're willing to double it as well in 2021. So they're going to manufacture more stuff, they're ready to take orders, and they're ready to sell more. And they had made a lot of more deals to distribute their products across USA. I think they have more than 4,000 outlets now selling them. And recently, just 2 days ago or maybe yesterday, they announced rolling out new products, 9 new products. So the company is still innovating. It's still in early phases. The future, it's theirs for the take, right? They can take it. It depends on how they play it, they can take it. It depends on the managers, on the executives and the leaders of the company. And what takes us to this slide with the leadership, I honestly think it's kind of a great leadership. Sam Giletti and Sarah Giletti as well, both. So it's more of a family-run business. Sam has a huge experience, 35 years experience, and I know he runs it as a family business. And the other talent as well, they are really good talent. They're coming from big names as well, big company names. So it's positive. It's positive. Honestly, it's positive. Now, the cool thing about Tattoo Chef, I don't know if you heard about this, but until now, they haven't done any marketing campaigns. All this sale is organically. That's mean word of mouth. That's mean the quality products are spreading and increasing organically. That is huge. That does mean something. This is a flag. This is a green flag that this company's products are doing the marketing for them being so good. Now, I haven't tried them. I've seen some reviewers on YouTube do that. Try these the products. Some of them liked, some of them did not. I think it's a taste. It's a matter of taste and matter of what you want in your diet. And we know how the plant-based diets are increasing everywhere, right? Keto, vegans, I don't know what, everything. It's globally increasing. And people are looking for alternatives. Millennials. And that's why the Tattoo Chefs comes in as a brand to serve these millennials what they want. So this is their marketing slide, not that important. All right, so they have e-commerce as well. So you can order, other than the 4,000 outlet physical location they have with their different partner in the US, you also can order online, which is a great option. They can sell direct to consumers. That's another business they need to focus on, which they say they have now 250 increase in the email list. That's nice, but they need to focus on this one. They need to revamp this one. They need to focus more on the communication on the e-commerce. It's relatively new. They launched the website on October last year, so like 6 months ago. So I'm really keen to see how is the traffic going on that website, which I'm gonna explore later on. Okay, they are vertically integrated. So they grow, they plant, they grow, they manufacture, innovate, and they design new food. All right. So they have consistent quarterly growth as well. So you can see 33 to 34, 41, 39. It's growing. They are growing so good on the revenue. Their guidance for 2021. So 21 is 222 million. 22, we see the 25 increase, 20 to 30% increase, and then we see on an annual kind of rhythm for increase from 30 to 35. And in 2026, they're expecting revenue to reach $1 billion. Now, a lot of people who say that their current value is matching this after the 2026 revenue, actually, and they are now overvalued. But I like to think, that's only me, this is not a recommendation, I'm not an analyst at all. I like to think that they are incorrect, and they're still thinking, institutional investors still thinking about the now, and they're forgetting about the future. Well, the current valuation, which is $1.7 billion, is not representing of the future. It's representing now with an outlook of the future. Because the company, you can see the whole growth is in it. They have a beautiful audience willing to spend, millennials who are looking to change the diet, update the diet, and it's increasing. The trend is increasing as well. So it's really justifiable, the growth that they have now, and I don't think it's overpaid. Okay, capital structure. Capital structure, you can see that Sam has 50% of the share, public shareholders, which is we, have 31, and then the other investor he has. What I like about this slide is one thing, that there is no inside selling for Tattooed Chef. The holders, the family, Sam and his family, and everybody knows the value of the company, and they're not selling out. That's amazing. They know that they're reinvesting that money in the company. Zero insider sell, that's what I really like. All right, let's talk about plant-based food. If you go and do a quick Google search trend, you see that plant-based food is in a rise. Now, this is a 5 years chart. You can see how it's rising. It's constantly increasing. And if you look for keto as well, you can see that. So a lot of people are looking into plant-based food. And once Tattooed Chef, they can optimize their SEO, optimize their e-commerce, they can start selling to consumers directly to this huge demand that we have in the US. All right, let's compare them with their other competition. Beyond Meat, Impossible Meat as well. Impossible Food, I think. So Impossible is not yet public, but the last valuation that's from they got is 4 billion, and the revenue is 151 million. That makes price to sale is 26. Tattooed Chef, 1.4 billion, 135 million. That price to sale is 10. Beyond Meat, $8 billion market cap, 400 million sales. So price to sale is 20. From these numbers, from these companies that actually work in the same field, which is a new kind of a field, right? Who do you think the lowest valuation from these? It's obviously Tattooed Chef. They are way undervalued comparing to the other two. So that's why I think there's still potential. I still that it can go like 4 or 5x minimum this year. And we can see a lot of more potential, especially if they keep reporting this beautiful earnings that they did yesterday. This is amazing, and we need more of that. Yeah, so the future is only for Tattooed Chef, but what they need to do, it's not the future's theirs without doing anything, and they need to act quickly. All right, so the future is theirs for Tattooed Chef, but they need to do quickly and activate it quickly on a couple of aspects. First, marketing. They need to start marketing. Word of mouth is the best marketing. Yes, I agree, but they need to start marketing. They need to start Google ads. They need to start everywhere. Go heavy. If they launch their e-commerce and they're ready to deliver, it's time to you to start SEO. And I hope they focus on this thing. Other than thing, they need to innovate more and more products. Now, that's really nice hearing that they came up with 9 more products last night, but we need more, because the more you have products and the more you have more data to know what people skew, what people really need, what people need to buy, and that's what they need to focus on. Plus, they need to think about expanding internationally. I know it's really cool, it's really great that trying to dominate your local market, but you're selling frozen food, which should be easy to ship as well. So let's think about it. Maybe I hope they can focus on that and they take utilization of that. That's it for me, and thank you very much for watching the Morning Business Brew. I'm Rami Rashid, and thank you very much. If you like this video, please like my chat, like the channel, share, subscribe, save, comment. If you don't like it, comment please. If you hate it, just put thumbs down. Anything you can do, thumbs up and down. It's awesome, believe me. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.